Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I'm Hafsa Rashid, student of MS Chemistry, and today I will brief you about introduction to heterocyclic and organometallic compounds. First of all, content. That what are organometallic compounds, their nomenclature, examples, properties, classification, and applications are discussed in this lecture. Introduction. You will think that what are organometallic compounds? So I will tell you about their brief introduction that organometallic compounds are the compounds which have at least one chemical bond between carbon and a metal atom. In this figure you will see that there is a bond between carbon and a metal atom. So we call it organometallic compound. Organometallic compound provide a source of nucleophilic carbon atom. They provide source for nucleophilic carbon atom which react with electrophilic carbon to form a new carbon-carbon bond. In organometallic compounds, I have told you earlier that there is a chemical bond between carbon and a metal atom. One is partial negative and other one is partial positive, and the bond which is formed between them is called organometallic bond. Yeah, we in short we say that it is an organometallic compound. Then come nomenclature. Nomenclature is that how we will name organometallic compounds. We will name organometallic compounds according to their names. They are named as substituted metals. For example, alkyl metals, alkyl metal halides. Examples are methyl lithium. For example, if we have CH3 group attached to the lithium, we will name it methyl lithium. And if we have CH3 group attached with MgBr, we will call it methyl magnesium bromide. Then other examples of organometallic compounds includes Gilman reagent, Widmer reagent, and other examples are tetracarbonyl nickel and ferrocene. In Gilman reagent, there is a bond between lithium and a carbon atom, and in Widmer reagent which contain magnesium bond, and in tetracarbonyl nickel and ferrocene are also examples of organometallic compounds which are shown below this figure. Then come properties that how organometallic compounds are important for us. Yeah, we will say that how these bonds work. The bond between metal and a carbon atom is highly covalent in nature, means that they have a covalency in between their bonds. Most of the organometallic compounds exist in solid state, especially the compounds in which hydrocarbon groups are aromatic or have ring structure. They are mostly found in that structures. And the compound consisting of highly electropositive metals such as sodium or lithium are very volatile and undergo spontaneous combustion. In many cases, organometallic compounds are found to be toxic to humans. They are somehow toxic also. Then comes the classification, that how we will classify organometallic compounds. So they are classified on the basis of metal carbon bond, which I have told you in slide number 1 that it is the bond formed between carbon and a metal atom. Then their classification is shown in the figure, that they are classified on the basis of ionic compounds, covalent compounds, transition metal organometallic compounds, or electron deficient compounds. Now we will discuss applications. Application means that how they are used in our daily life. It is a chemistry that how organometallic compounds work in our daily life. So a few of them are discussed in these slides. In some commercial chemical applications, organometallic compounds are used as homogeneous catalysts. They are used to speed up the reaction. Homogeneous means same compound से जो catalyst बना हुआ हो उसमें ये use होते हैं. These compounds are used as tissue-meric reagent in both industrial and research-oriented chemical reactions. That they can also be used as tissue-metric reagents. And other application is that it is used in the manufacture of some semiconductors. You guys know that semiconductors are useful in our daily life. Other is that it can be used in the production of light emitting diodes, and these compounds are employed in bulk hydrogenation processes such as production of margarine, which is the treatment towards pain, etc. These compounds are used as a catalyst reagents during the synthesis of some organic compounds. So for the synthesis of organic compound to speed up their reaction, they can also be used as a catalyst and reagents. And the complex form from the organometallic compounds are useful in facilitation of synthesis of many organic compounds. And the last one is that the point given above emphasizes the importance of organometallic compounds, that they are also the cause of many environmental concerns, but they are highly toxic for us, for the nature, due to their wide properties. So thank you for listening me. Allah Hafiz. If you have any quiz, you can write in the comment section. Allah Hafiz.